who said that a believer is a mirror or serves as a mirror for his brother, his fellow Muslim. When he sees a defect in it, sorry, it's not him, it's it. When he sees a defect in it, in that mirror, then he should correct it. Aslaha, he should correct it. This hadith is, as the board mentions, or as it's on the slide, is mawquf, meaning a Sahabi narrated this hadith without attributing to Rasulullah. But as we will see in hadith 239, which is the next slide, it also comes through a marfu' tariq, through the Sahabi attributing it to Rasulullah. Okay. A person can see everything reflected in the mirror. You look at yourself, you can see a scar that you've got, birthmarks, defects, some random stray hair that fell off your head and somewhere on your face. Or, person has a beard and his beard is unkept. A woman in the morning, she's combing her hair, putting oil on the hair, that one strand that's, annoying. You can see all of this. Everything becomes visible, or dirt, the substance that forms in the corner of a person's eye when they wake up, right? All of this becomes visible when a person looks at the mirror. Similarly, a fellow believer should extend that courtesy to his or her fellow Muslim. If they observe something that needs rectification, you look at somebody and you know how sometimes you have a job interview or something, right? Some event, right? And you're looking over yourself, you feel you're good, but then you ask somebody else to reassure, am I okay? Do I have any stain on my back? Like right now, Fridays, normally when we wear white. Then if it's muddy or slushy or something, you want to make sure that you're going up to the minbar, you don't want to have any slushy or mud marks in the back of the thobe, right? So like that, you want to make sure that you're comfortable. So if somebody extends that courtesy to you and tells you that, hey, you've got a little something, like if you're smiling or something, a little something in your teeth, then you would appreciate that. You wouldn't be like, who told you to look? Why are you looking? You're like, no, thank you for actually caring, because had you not told me, I probably would have gone the entire day without anybody telling me, and people would just look at me, and I would hate to feel that, to give that people that impression that I don't care about myself, or I don't care about my, my hygiene. Okay? And then also, so this is extending a courtesy to somebody else and pointing out whatever that needs rectification. Not something for the sake of, it's aib, so you point it out because it's aib. You point it out so that that person can rectify it. Right? So that if the objective is to rectify, then you will do it with hikmah, with softness. And if the objective is to, humiliate someone and to draw attention to their fault or defect, then you will tweet about it and make a hashtag about it that this person is like this or whatever else, or you will talk about it loudly and you'll gossip about it, right? Innamal a'malu binniyat, actions are based on intentions. You tell